Hello all. Here we are going to discuss about co-prime numbers. Okay. Co-prime numbers means a pair of numbers that do not have any common factor other than 1. So इसका मतलब ये है given pair of numbers, if we list factors of the both numbers, there will be only one common factor, no other factors. Okay. So let us try to list the factors of 12 and 25. So factors of 12 are, say take smaller number 1 into 12 is equal to 12, and 2 into how much is equal to 12? It is 6. 3 into, so 3 into 4 is equal to 12, and here 4 into 3, so it is reversing, so you have to stop here only. So this method I am following because we should not miss any factors. All right, so here you can list the factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. All right. So similarly, we have to find out the factors of 25. So 25, let us take again smaller number, that is 1 and 2, 25 is equal to 25. So 2 into something is not possible. 2 into something is equal to 25 is not possible, and 3 also not possible, 4 also not possible. So 5 is possible. 5 into 5, 25. So you have to stop here only factorizing, because 6 into something, it is crossing this side number. So whenever, if these two numbers are equal, or if these two numbers are reversing here, you have to stop factorization. Okay. So here again, factors of 25 is equal to what? 1, 5 and 25. So as you can compare here these factors and these factors. So what is common here? Okay, here 1 and 1, right? So the definition is a pair of numbers that do not have any common factor other than 1. So हम लोग क्या किए, 12 का और 25 का फैक्टर्स निकाल दिए. फैक्टर्स है, इस साइड में 12 का फैक्टर्स है और इस साइड में 25 का फैक्टर्स है, और दोनों में कंपेयर किए कि कौन सा फैक्टर कॉमन है. सिर्फ एक कॉमन है फैक्टर, इसीलिए 12 और 25 प्राइम नंबर है. ओके, ऑलराइट दोस्तों, कोप्राइम नंबर के ऊपर कैसे प्रश्न पूछा जाता है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि 4 ऑप्शन दिया जाता है, उसमें से एक पेयर ऐसा होता है, वो उसका कॉमन फैक्टर 1 होता है. ओके, सो वैसा ऑप्शन हमें कैलकुलेट करके ढूंढना पड़ता है. ऑलराइट, दूसरा टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछा जाता है कि the HCF of two co-prime numbers is. So as you know, the co-prime numbers are having only one factor, that is 1. So that means only one common factor means HCF is highest common factor is also 1. So option B is the correct answer, right? So thank you for watching.